Two insurance giants, one crucial decision. Which one is truly right for you? On one side, the trusted, long-time leader Prudential, and on the other, the rock-solid, enduring New York Life. Let's move past all the marketing talk and dig into what really matters. Each category stacks up points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which insurer claims the crown. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Here's a quick look at our comparison map so you know exactly what's coming up. We're diving into price and value, financial strength, product range, policyholder perks, actual customer experience, and you know we can't skip reputation and trust. Alright, got your categories in mind, let's dive in. So let's kick things off with price and value. Prudential does throw in frequent promos and you get a pretty wide choice of policy riders. But in this is important, some of their plans hit you with a kinda high minimum, which isn't ideal if you're watching your budget. Now, switching over to New York Life, they aren't big on flashy discounts and their term insurance rates can honestly feel a little steep at first. But here, the thing, New York Life shines big time with dividends on whole life policies. Over the long run, their value is hard to beat, so for price and value, gotta give this round to New York Life. Next up, financial strength. Prudential's ratings are strong, like a plus strong, and they have a great track record. And I'm just saying their rating recently dipped just a notch below New York Life. Then there's New York Life. Top of the class with a double plus and a perfect run with all the major rating agencies. Now, some folks wonder about their investment mix now and then, but overall, they're kind of the gold standard here. So New York Life takes the win again on financial muscle. Let's talk about product range. This is where Prudential flexes. Seriously, they offer just about every type of life insurance you can think of: term, whole, universal, indexed, variable, you name it. Plus, they've got some pretty slick workplace benefits if you're the employee benefits type. The flip side, yeah, some of the policy fine print gets a little overwhelming. Now, New York Life is excellent for both whole and term life coverage, and you get solid rider options. But in some states you won't find as many variable or universal choices. So for versatility and flexibility, Prudential grabs this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know both Prudential and New York Life have made it through some of the wildest times in American history? Like actual financial crises, wars, depressions, you name it. Literally protecting families for over a century, that's impressive. Moving on to policyholder benefits, which is basically what extras do you actually get. Prudential makes things easy to manage online and does offer accelerated death benefits. But here's a letdown. Most of their policies don't give you those annual dividend goodies. New York Life, on the other hand, is totally mutual. That means actual policyholders receive annual dividends, yup, real cash back. They also keep their customers pretty loyal with extra programs. Dividends aren't a sure thing, but let's be honest, that's still a pretty big plus. So New York Life is the clear winner for policyholder perks. Customer experience. Now, this one gets interesting. Prudential's made a real effort into digital. Their online platform is actually modern, and yes, you can file a claim literally anytime. The only hiccup? Sometimes finding what you need feels a bit like a digital scavenger hunt. Then there's New York Life, who leans old school. Their service through agents is really personal, really attentive. People love that. But if you like DIY, their digital options are honestly a little behind. So for user-friendliness and going digital, Prudential takes it. And finally, reputation and trust, the legacy stuff. Prudential, they've been in the game over 140 years, and the rock isn't just a slogan, it's a whole vibe. Okay, they've had some large settlements to deal with in recent years, but who hasn't if you've been around that long? New York Life is even older, literally the oldest mutual in the nation, and their reputation is like bulletproof. Sometimes agent quality varies though. Honestly, it's impossible to pick a loser here. This one's a tie. So looking at the score chart, you can see where each brand has its clear wins. Price, financial strength, and policyholder benefits, New York Life is on top. Product range and digital experience, that's all Prudential. And reputation, well, that's an even match. Alright, here's my take. If you want something flexible with a bunch of policy options and you like doing things online, Prudential should probably be on your shortlist. But if long-term security, financial stability, and shareholder rewards make you feel all warm and fuzzy, New York Life really can't be beat. They just bring that mutual company magic. Did this breakdown help you get clearer on life insurance? Stick around because I'll be diving into more top-tier financial brands real soon.